Hey Bodhi, it's Nanda and Uncle Vidar. Look at this big swing. Whoa. Some guys on a rope. And then there's a trampoline in here. See the kids jumping around. And there's lots of slides. And there's a fort up there. With those guys on the swing. Not fun. And there's wolves over there. See the wolf? And then there's a big grizzly bear. Look at that grizzly bear.
Come on here.
Should we go over there and see who's over there? Who's that? Who's that next to a grizzly bear? Look, it's Uncle Vidar. You say hi to Bowden?
Hi, Bowden. You like the bear? Do you see the bear?
Look at that big bear. Wow. That's a big bear. Bye, Bowden.
Bye-bye.